Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to steam chicken wings with olive vegetable. Hope you like it. The chicken wings steamed with olive vegetable are not too salty, and the chicken is tender and delicious. Olive vegetable is rich in precious nutrients such as olive oil, various vitamins, calcium and iodine which are essential for the human body, as well as various trace elements such as iron, zinc and magnesium. Olive vegetable has a delicate texture and a salty and fresh taste. It has the slight astringency of olives, the sourness of mustard greens, and a special fragrance. The flavor is diverse and unique. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe, so you may refer back anytime you like. Ingredients: chicken wings, olive vegetable, spring onion, ginger. Cut chicken wings into 3 sections. Diced spring onion and place onion white and onion green separately. Sliced ginger. Add onion white and ginger slices. One tablespoon oyster sauce. One tablespoon olive vegetable. Mix evenly. One teaspoon cornstarch. Fridge to marinate chicken. After marinating steamed chicken for 20 minutes. Chicken wings is cooked. Garnish with onion green. Olive vegetable chicken wings is cooked. Let's eat. The chicken is delicious and easy to prepare, suitable to make during busy weekday. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Olive vegetable are very suitable for drinking porridge and can also be used for stir-frying, such as olive sprouts and green beans, but the salt content is often high, so you should control the intake when eating. Olive vegetable is a local dish from Chaoshan, Guangdong, and is a Shaozu dish in the Cantonese cuisine. It is made by frying the sweet taste of olives and the plump leaves of mustard greens. Olive salad can stimulate the appetite, help digestion, and increase appetite. What does olive dish taste like? Olive dish is a Han Chinese style dish unique to the Chaoshan area of Guangdong and belongs to the Cantonese cuisine. It takes the sweet taste of olives and the plump leaves of mustard greens, adds soybean oil and salt, puts them in a cast iron pot, stir-fries them over low heat, and takes several hours to simmer until they are shiny and moist. When you take a bite, you will feel the fragrance on your tongue and intestines. Chew carefully and you will feel the fragrance on your teeth and cheeks, which is unique in flavor. It is appetizing, helps digestion, and increases appetite. What can't be eaten with olives? Usually, olives can't be eaten with beef or cold foods, such as watermelon, eggplant, etc. If eaten with these foods, it may increase the burden on the stomach and intestines, leading to symptoms such as indigestion, abdominal pain, and nausea. Olive vegetable has the effects of lowering blood pressure, lowering blood sugar, and enhancing body immunity. Olives contain a variety of nutrients. Eating them properly can replenish what the body needs and relieve hunger. Excessive consumption can easily increase the gastrointestinal burden, cause indigestion, and cause abdominal discomfort. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel, do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video ya.